Hi guys, in this video I want to tell you how you can fix the problem with the in-game sound in Bioshock. It's pretty easy and can be done quickly. First you're looking for a microphone with a jack plug. Then you just put the microphone in the red input of the sound card on the backside on your PC. That's all. Now you can play with sound. By the way, it doesn't matter if it is a microphone or headphones or you plug it in the slot. Because it's just important that the slot occupied for playing with sound. I hope you like and thank you for watching.